Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. It's all to play for going into the second leg of the Wray Nephew Jamaica Premier League quarter-final playoffs following Monday's stalemates at Sabina Park. Waterhouse and Tivoli Gardens ended 1-1, and it was a similar score between Arnett Gardens and Portmore United. There's a historic rivalry between Portmore United and Arnett Gardens, and Monday's playoff was no different. In a no-holds-barred encounter, both teams went at each other as chances went a-begging, with the goals coming close to the end of each interval. It was Portmore United who had the first laugh when a Philander wing own goal 4 minutes before half-time gave them the advantage. The chances came and went in the second half until the 82nd minute, when Captain Fabian Reid ensured all was level going into the second leg. Arnett's coach Xavier Gilbert was happy not to leave empty-handed after a slow first half.
We just weren't hitting the notes right away, and of course the opponent contributed to that too. They were getting their players Alex a lot on the ball, which we didn't want early in the game, because we know once he picked up and they got a rhythm, then things would have been good for them. So that too kind of curtailed how we wanted to attack them go forward.
Portmore's coach Philip Williams said their plan worked up to a point before tiredness set in.
The plan was to press Arnett as much as possible in the first half and create as much moments. I think the plan worked with more efficiency in front of goal. We could have got more out of the first half, but it's very rough to play a pressing game for 90 minutes. And I think the legs went somewhat in the second half for us.
Tivoli Gardens would have gone into their game as the favourites, but it was Waterhouse who drew first blood. Waterhouse, who did not create a chance in the first half, were presented with their opportunity when Tivoli's Nathan Thomas brought down Javane Bryan, who brushed himself off and put away the resulting penalty. Tivoli continued to create the chances, but it took them 72 minutes to get a goal of their own. Substitute Lennox Russell pouncing to capitalise on Kemar Foster's slip-up.
What was going through my mind, not more than just to put the ball in the back of the net. Because as you can see, the team was down. So, happy for getting the job done.
Bryan's goal has taken him to 15 for the season, but he was disappointed that they could not hold on to the lead.
It's a great feeling, to get on the score sheet once again today, to put my team ahead. Eventually we give up a late goal, cost us a draw, but just have to get back to the second leg, go back to the giant board and regroup.
The return legs are set for next Monday also at Sabina Park.